Hello, guys. Welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today video, we will discuss new questions that is find the sum of the digits of our numbers in Java. It means you have to sum of your digit. Let's suppose here we have an input of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the input we have. What you need to do by using programming, you have to sum of these numbers. 1 plus, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15s. You have to get the 15s. How to achieve this in the program? So first of all, what you need to do, you have to implement your logic. How to implement that in the programs? So for that, let me explain. See, here we have a what variables that is a number and you have represent the number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding this digit as a sum, you have to need a one more variables that is a sum is equal to 0. The initial value of sum is 0. After this, you have to need a loop like a while loop to iterate and sum of these numbers. So the main part is the logic is sum. Here, the inside of while loop, you have to write this sum plus equal to num percentile 10. It means what you are doing here. Num percentile 10 means what you are doing. Uh, sorry, what you are doing here. So basically, 10, when you are doing the dividing, so you have to understand what to actually happening here. So just like here, 10 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, you have to 10 1 ja 1 is equal to 10. So 2 minus 0, 2, then 3 scale, and it is like 2 going here. And until the here, you have to get the 5. This 5 is called it as a reminder. Okay. This 5 is called it as a reminder. And whatever the values inside of the here, 1, 2, 3, 4 is called it as a quotient. So this is the quotient. So first situations, this is happening 10 divide 10 percentile. First perform the 10 percentile, you will get the remainder 5. After getting the 5, what the condition is sum plus equal to. It means this 5 will be adding the initial value of sum is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Then again, then in that time itself, that iteration itself, then num equal to num percentile 10. Num divided by 10. So when you are num divided by 10, you will get the quotient. So as you can see here, you will get the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is removed. Next time, same thing happen. Then the 4 is removed, 1, 2, 3 is there, and another reminder is here. So that in reminder will be getting adding to the sum plus equal to. So how to implement in the program? Let's go to the Eclipse and implement this program. Okay, this is the our class sum of digit. Okay, our question is find the sum of the digits of our numbers in Java. So here we just import our main method. Inside of main method, what are the variables you need? First of all, int now is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the our number. Then also you need one more variable that is the sum is equal to 0. This is the our initial value of sum. Then what you need to do, you have to need a one loop while loop that is a num not equal to 0. It will be iterate until the our num is not equal to 0. Then inside of while loop, our condition is like sum plus equal to num percentile. Then so it will be adding the remainder. After this, you have to also perform a num is equal to num divided by 10. This is the our two things you have to do. And after this, you have to come out the while loop and this out a sum. So what will be the getting? Let me see. See, you will get the 15. How it happens? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. You will get the 15. As you can see here, step-by-step executions, that is, the initial values of num is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum is equal to 0. The first iterations, what will happen? Num is not equal to 0. It means it is a true. So when it's true, it's coming inside the while loop, then num percentile 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 percentile 10. You will get the 5 is the last digit and it will add it in the sum variables. Instead of sum plus 0, sum plus 5, it means 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 and num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 10. You will get the new digit, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. One digit is removed because of it will adding inside the sum. The next step, same thing happen. The second iteration, num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Num percentile 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Percentile 10 is equal to 4. This is the our quotient value, a reminder values, that is a 4. Sum is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10. You will get the 1, 2, 3. This is the way of executions will be happen. Same thing in the 4, 5 times, 6 times. Then after this 7 time, your loop will be getting end. Num is equal to 0, so num is not equal to 0 is false. The final output will be system.out.println sum of digit is equal to sum. This is the 15. This is the way of working this program. So that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.